According to National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA), global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's surface observed since the pre-industrial period, which is between 1850 and 1900. This is due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which has increases the heat-trapping greenhouse gases levels in Earth's atmosphere. Global warming is not directly changing the shape of Earth. It is causing significant changes in the Earth's surface that can have indirect impacts on the planet's shape and also the gravity field. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to Aliya Nature Channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about the biggest challenges we face today, which is global warming. Do you know that the temperature of our Earth is rising at an alarming rate, causing significant impacts on our environment, wildlife, and ultimately our quality of life? But do we actually know what is global warming and what cause of global warming? This graph shows the increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere over the years. Global warming is the gradual increase in average temperature of Earth's atmosphere, primarily caused by the emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases actually trap heat in the atmosphere and cause the temperature of Earth to rise. The main cause of this increase in greenhouse gas emissions is human activity, including the burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and the use of synthetic fertilizers. These activities release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which leads to the global warming of our Earth. Due to human activity, there are many consequences we have to face. The consequences of global warming are far-reaching and including rising sea level, melting of polar ice caps, and changes in precipitation patterns. This leads to flooding, drought, and the loss of habitats for many species, which will lead to extinctions of many species. But there is still hope, as there are many ways we can do to prevent global warming and safeguard our planet. Simple actions like reducing energy consumption, use public transport, and carpooling, and also planting trees can make a big impact to our Earth. We can also switch to clean and renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower. By reducing our carbon footprint, we can help to slow down the process of global warming and also preserve our planet for future generations. We must remember that every little action counts, so let us all work together to protect our planet and prevent global warming from occurring. The effects of global warming. Due to global warming, the Earth's average surface temperature has increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the late 19th century, with much of this warming occurring in these few decades. The impacts of global warming are already being felt around the world, and they are expected to become more severe in the coming decades if greenhouse gas emissions are not reduced. To combat global warming, it is necessary to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through measures such as transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and adopting more sustainable land use practices. The international community has committed to limiting global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, but achieving this goal will require significant global cooperation and action. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Aliya Nature Channel to stay updated on all related things to our planet. Stay safe guys, bye!